everyone! Welcome back to my class, and today we will continue our discussion regarding deferrals. So, for the first part of our discussion about deferrals, we discussed about prepayment or prepaid expenses. For this video, we're going to discuss about pre-collections or the involvement of unearned revenue on a adjusting entry. So, let's have a recap. The four kinds of adjusting entries are the following. Deferrals, which comprises of prepayment and pre-collections. Second is accruals. Third is bad debts. And fourth is depreciation. So, for deferrals, we're done with prepayment. Now, let's proceed to pre-collections. Under pre-collections, we have two methods din. Katulad dun sa prepayment, meron tayong expense method and asset method. Dito naman kay pre-collections, we have two methods as well. And those are liability method if you want to record an income earned, and income method if you want to record an income not yet earned. Kailan po ba sinasabi or tinatawag ang isang income na earned or unearned? Unearned ang isang income kung hindi mo pa nare-render yung product or service na binili ni client, pero tinanggap mo na yung payment mula kay client. And on the other hand, matatawag mo na earned ang isang income kung natanggap mo na yung payment at na-render mo na yung service na binili ni client or yung product na binili niya mula sa'yo. So, para mas maintindihan nyo, magbigay tayo ng example. Example number 1, on April 1, 2016, Hazel Broadcasting Station received 90,000 pesos from a customer for the advertising of product. The amount is intended to cover a 15-month advertisement and the company uses calendar year. Let's explain first the transaction. For example, kayo si Hazel. So, sa inyo yung broadcasting station. And then, ako yung client nyo. Let's say, sabi ko sa inyo, Hazel, pwede bang mag-provide ka sa akin ng mga advertisement para sa kumpanya ko? And I will give you 90,000 pesos. At ang kontrata natin ay tatagal ng 17 months. So, pumayag kayo sa ganong condition. So, nagkaroon tayo ng deal. So, kayo naman ngayon, as may-ari or owner ng broadcasting station ni Hazel, ay magpo-provide kayo sa akin ng 15-month advertisement. At bibigyan ko kayo ng 90,000 pesos ng isang bagsakan dated April 1, 2016. Now, let's create a timeline para mas maintindihan natin. If the transaction started on April 1, by the way, this is a liability method. So, we will record the income earned or yung income na na-render nyo na pagdating ng cut-off period or cut-off date. So, we started at April 1, 2016. And dahil nga 15 months yon, let's count from April 1 kung anong date ba matatapos yung contract, kung 15 months siya. So, April 1, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. So, for June, ang kukuhanin natin na date, syempre, yung katapusan ng June kasi buong June kailangan makonsume. So, we have June 30. Sa kalagitnaan ng transaction, pumasok ngayon si cut-off date, which is December 31. So, from April 1, 2016, so lumalakad ang panahon, nagre-render kayo sa akin ng advertisement service. Bago matapos ang kontrata, pumasok ang cut-off period ng accounting record nyo, which is December 31. At sabi sa rule or principle ng generally accepted accounting principle, kailangan daw kung kailan na-incur or kailan na-render yung service, doong accounting record mo rin siya i-record o isasama. Since itong transaction na to ay nangyari sa year 2016, kailangan, pagdating ni cut-off period, lahat ng service na na-render mo sa akin ay mai-record kahit hindi pa siya nare-render na buo. So, let's count. Gaano ba katagal from April 1 hanggang December 31? So, we have April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So, we have 9 months. Yung 9 months na yan yung tinatawag natin na earned income. Or yung nirender mo na service within that first 9 months, ang tawag doon sa kinita mo ay earned income. Dahil natanggap na ni client yung service mo pagdating ni cut-off date. Pero for 9 months pa lang. So, may natitira pang 6 months. Which is yung good for December 31 hanggang June 30. So, tawagin natin siyang unearned income. Dahil hindi mo pa na-render yung service. And dahil nga liability method ang gagamitin natin, ang pipiliin natin na number of month, syempre si earned. Kasi nga, sabi ni liability method, this is to record the income earned for that given period. So, alin ba dyan ang earned? Si 9 months or si 6 months? So, ang earned ay si 9 months. So, we will use 9 months. And this is the pro forma to create an adjusting entry for liability method under pre-collections. Debit, unearned income, and kung ano man yung amount na yon, and credit income account. So, pag sinabi nating unearned income, yun yung mga liability na ang utang mo ay service or product at hindi cash. So, let's compute muna. Kung 90,000 ang ibinigay ko sa inyo, and that's good for 15 months, magkano kada buwan ang binabayad ko? So, 90,000 pesos divided by 15 months, we will get 6,000 pesos. Which means, kada buwan, nagbabayad ako sa inyo ng 6,000 pesos para sa advertisement na binibigay nyo sa akin. Now, sabi natin kanina, from April 1 to December 31, ay mayroong 9 months, which is yung earned portion. Dahil nga, liability method ang ginagamit natin, kukuhanin natin syempre yung earned portion. Kung meron tayong 9 months and earned portion, syempre yung 6 months na natitira, ang tawag na sa kanya ay unearned. So, again, dahil liability method siya, ang kukuhanin natin ay yung earned portion. So, 9 months multiplied by 6,000, dahil kada buwan nga, diba, 6,000 yung nagagastos. We will get 54,000 pesos. Therefore, yung 54,000 pesos, yan ang ire-record natin sa ating adjusting entry. So, take note of that amount, 54,000 pesos. Ang gagawin lang natin ay isa-substitute natin siya dito sa pro forma. Keep in mind na ang pro forma lang po ang susundin natin para hindi tayo naliligaw. For debit, sabi dyan ay ilagay daw yung unearned income. So, anong type ba ng income ang involved sa transaction? Dahil ang nire-render nyo na service mula sa akin ay related sa advertising ng produkto na meron ako, let's call this one as unearned advertising income. So, for the credit rather, ang nakalagay dyan ay income account. So, anong income ba yung tawag kapag nagre-render ka ng service? So, ang tawag doon sa income na yon ay advertising income or advertisement income. Either of the two, you can use it. So, let's substitute. So, we will get debit, unearned advertising income worth 54,000 and credit advertising income worth 54,000. So, hindi natin i-record yung buong 90,000. Dahil, ang nire-record lang natin ay yung income earned. Hope that's clear to you. So, these are the pro forma. Kung si liability method, ang debit niya ay unearned income, ang credit niya ay income account. Pagdating naman kay income method, babaligtarin mo lang. Babaligtarin mo lang yung position ng dalawa. Ang magiging debit na natin ay si income account, ang magiging credit ay unearned income. So, nagkapalit lang yung dalawang account title. Para mas matandaan nyo ng mas mabuti or mas mabilis. Pag sinabing liability method, ang naka-debit ay liability account. Di ba si unearned income, liability siya? So, kung ano ang pangalan ng method, yun din ang naka-debit. Kay income method naman, dahil income yung pangalan ng method, ang naka-debit ay income din, which is income account. So, these are the pro forma. Kung si liability method, ang debit niya ay unearned income, ang credit niya ay income account. Pagdating naman kay income method, babaligtarin mo lang. Babaligtarin mo lang yung position ng dalawa. Ang magiging debit na natin ay si income account, ang magiging credit ay unearned income. So, nagkapalit lang yung dalawang account title. Para mas matandaan nyo ng mas mabuti or mas mabilis. Pag sinabing liability method, ang naka-debit ay liability account. Di ba si unearned income, liability siya? So, kung ano ang pangalan ng method, yun din ang naka-debit. Kay income method naman, dahil income yung pangalan ng method, ang naka-debit ay income din, which is income account. So, gawin naman natin ngayon yung income method. Ito tayo. Pro forma for income method, syempre ang naka-debit ay income account. Ang naka-credit ay unearned income. But this time, ang amount na ire-record natin is yung not yet earned or yung hindi pa na ire-render. So, let's compute again. If 90,000 ang bayad ni client sa inyo, good for 15 months. So, that means, every month ay nakaka-receive or nakakapagbigay ka ng service worth 6,000 pesos. And then, from April 1 to December 31, again, meron tayong 9 months na earned portion and 6 months na unearned portion. Since income method po ang ginagamit natin, ang kukuhanin natin na bilang ng buwan ay yung not yet earned or unearned. This time, ang gagamitin naman natin ay si 6 months. Kung 6 months ang gagamitin natin at kada buwan ay worth 6,000 pesos, multiply lang natin sila. So, 6 months multiplied by 6,000 pesos, we will get 36,000 pesos. So, take note of that amount dahil yan ang gagamitin natin sa adjusting entry para sa income method ng pre-collection. So, ang debit daw natin ay income account. So, ano ba ang income account na related or involved dito sa transaction na to? Since this is about providing a service that's related to advertising a product, let's call this one as advertising income. Para naman sa credit, unearned income account or yung liability. So, we will have unearned advertising income. So, debit natin is advertising income, 36,000 pesos. And credit, unearned advertising income, 36,000 pesos. Para ma-compare nyo yung liability method and income method, so, eto silang dalawa. For liability method, we have debit unearned advertising income, 54,000. And credit advertising income, 54,000. At ang nirecord natin na amount ay yung income na na-earned or naibigay na natin na service pagdating ni cut-off period. Para naman sa income method, ang ire-record natin ay yung not yet earned or yung hindi pa na ire-render. So, babaliktarin lang din natin yung account title. Ang magiging debit na natin ay si advertising income. Ang credit na natin ay si unearned advertisement income. So, ang amount naman niya ngayon ay yung hindi pa nare-render, which is 36,000 pesos. Para ma-check nyo kung tama ba ang computation nyo ng amount, pwede nyong i-add yung amount kay liability method na 54,000 pesos at si 36,000 pesos kay income method. So, 54 plus 36, we will get 90. So, tama lang kasi ang total ng binayad sa inyo ni client ay 90,000. So, we're done with that example number 1. For example number 2 naman. On December 1 rather, 2018, Petit Company received 48,000 pesos amount of advance rentals for 6 months. So, nagpaparenta ka naman dito. Halimbawa, ilagay nyo na sa mindset nyo na sa inyo ang Petit Company. So, kayo yung may-ari ng Petit Company. At ang service na pinaprovide nyo ay rental services. Then, give the adjusting entry on December 31, 2018. Now, kung ang gagamitin natin na method ay liability method, we will record the income earned or yung income na i-render mo na pagdating ni cut-off period. So, let's have this pro forma. Siyempre, ang debit natin ay unearned income, ang credit ay income. Let's compute. Kung 48,000 pesos ang binayad, halimbawa ako yung client nyo, nagbigay ako ng 48,000 pesos ng December 1, 2018. And then, sabi ko, valid na yan for 6 months. Para sa renta ko ng 6 months. So, magkano ngayon kada buwan ang halaga ng service na i-render mo sa akin? So, 48,000 divided by 6 months, we will get 8,000. Which means, 8,000 pesos ang halaga ng service na nire-render mo sa akin kada buwan. Now, from December 1 to December 31, ilang months or gaano katagal ang lumipas? Bakit po December 31? Kasi nga, ang cut-off date niya ay December 31. So, bilangin natin, from December 1 to December 31, meron tayong 1 month. So, 1 month na yung nagdaan pagdating ni cut-off period. Which means, nakapag-render na kayo ng service sa akin na good for 1 month pagdating ng cut-off period nyo na December 31. So, kung 1 month ang earned portion at yung rental fee na binigay ko ay good for 6 months, technically, ang unearned revenue nyo pa ay good for 5 months. Now, kung ang gamit natin ay liability method, which is to record income earned, alin ang gagamitin natin? 1 month or 5 months? So, syempre, ang gagamitin natin is yung 1 month kasi nga, si 1 month yung earned. If per month is 8,000 pesos, multiply lang natin yung 1 month sa 8,000 pesos and we will get 8,000 pesos. Which means yan yung kailangan nating ma-record sa cut-off period or sa cut-off date for the adjusting entry for this transaction. So, ang debit natin ay unearned income at ang service na pinoprovide ng petit company ay rental services. Therefore, ang unearned income na ipapangalan nyo sa kanya ay unearned rent income. For credit naman, it says na ang gagamitin ay income account. Therefore, kung rentals yung pinaprovide mo na service, ang tawag sa kinikita mo mula doon ay rent income. And then, isubstitute lang natin yung 8,000 pesos doon sa amount. So, we will get debit unearned rent income, 8,000, and credit rent income, 8,000 pesos. So, that's our entry for the liability method of the adjusting entry ng particular transaction na to. Pro forma again, just to remind you, ang pro forma for liability method ay debit unearned income, credit income account. So, sa income method, pagbabaliktarin lang natin sila. Magiging debit si income account, credit si unearned income. So, para matanda ang mabuti, kung ano ang pangalan ng method, yun ang naka-debit. Technically, ang adjusting entry ay hindi naman mahirap. Nakakalito lang siya. So, you have to listen carefully sa discussion. So, now, for income method naman tayo, which is you have to record the income not yet earned or yung hindi mo pa na i-render na service. And we have debit income account, credit unearned income. Computein natin ulit. Balikan natin yung computation. For 48,000 good for 6 months, which means kailangan mong mag-render ng service worth 8,000 kada buwan. Now, from December 1 to December 31, meron tayong 1 month na earned portion. Siyempre, ang matitira ay 5 months na unearned portion. Since income method ang ginagamit natin ngayon, yung not yet earned ang i-record natin, which is yung 5 months. Multiply natin ngayon kay 8,000 pesos. Then, we will get 40,000 pesos. And yun yung isa-substitute natin sa account or sa amount dito sa adjusting entry natin. So, for debit, syempre ang income account natin katulad kanina ay rent income. For credit, ang unearned income account natin ay unearned rent income. So, let's substitute. And we will get debit rent income, 40,000 pesos. And credit unearned rent income, 40,000 pesos. Comparison, for liability method, at ang nire-record natin ay income earned, we have debit unearned rent income, 8,000 pesos. Credit rent income, 8,000 pesos. For income method, which is we have to record the income not yet earned, we have debit rent income, 40,000. Credit unearned rent income, 40,000 pesos. So to check, you just have to add 8,000 pesos to 40,000 pesos and you will get the 48,000 pesos, which is yung total ng ibinayad sa inyo. So I hope everyone is learning as of this moment. For example, number 3, suppose that you are the owner of P Insurance. On August 31, 2018, P Insurance received 66,000 pesos amount of 6 months advance premium. Give the adjusting entries on December 31, 2018. So, kayo ngayon ang owner ng P Insurance at ako ang client. Let's say, yung pro forma mo na. Pro forma is debit, unearned income, credit income. That's for liability method at ang re-record natin ay income earned. So, if we have 66,000 pesos, that's good for 6 months. You are rendering service worth 11,000 pesos kada buwan. Now, kung nag-start ang transaction ng August 31 at ang cut-off niya ay December 31, ilang buwan ngayon ang masasabi nating earned? So, we have August. Hindi na ika-count ang August kasi nasa dulo na siya, 31. September, October, November, December. So, we have 4 months, which is yung earned portion. If 4 months ang earned portion, syempre, yung natirang 2 months ay unearned portion na. And since ang ginagamit natin ay liability method, ang gagamitin natin na month ay 4 months. So, 4 months multiplied by 11,000, we will get 44,000 pesos. And then, i-substitute lang natin sa pro forma. Dahil nga ang nare-render na service ni P Insurance ay insurance, syempre, i-substitute lang natin yung account title. So, debit natin magiging unearned insurance income. Ang credit natin ay magiging insurance income. Worth 44,000 pesos both. So, that's our adjusting entry for this one. Pwede nyo din pong gamitin yung word na revenue. Okay lang yun. O yung word na fee. F-E-E-S, fees. So, debit unearned insurance revenue, 44,000. Credit insurance revenue, 44,000. For income method, pagbabalik-tarin lang naman natin silang dalawa. And we will get this adjusting entry. So, ganun pa rin, 11,000 pa rin kada buwan. At ang earned portion ay 4 months. Ang unearned portion ay 2 months. So, ang gagamitin na natin ngayon ay yung 2 months, which is unearned. Multiplied by 11,000 pesos, we will get 22,000 pesos. So, for the debit income account, ang ilalagay natin sa income account ay insurance income. Sa credit, ay magkakaroon tayo ng unearned insurance income. Just like this one. And the amount is worth 22,000 pesos. For comparison, we have for liability method, debit unearned insurance revenue worth 44,000 pesos. Credit insurance revenue, 44,000 pesos. And then for income method, which is to record income not yet earned, we have debit insurance revenue na 22,000 pesos and credit unearned insurance revenue, which is worth 22,000 pesos. So if we will add 44,000 pesos and 22,000 pesos, we will get the total amount of 66,000 pesos. That's all for my discussion for today, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you!